Scottsdale. A lot of cougars in Scottsdale as well. It's not Tourette's if it's premeditated. Go fuck yourself, bitch. My bad, I got Tourette's. This looks like the perfect place to practice wheelies. I love coming home from the gym after I hit my PR just to see that grandma let in 3 butt booty naked hot anime waifu girls. One with ears, one with horns, all for me. And then I get pissed because we're up all night and I ruin the games because I didn't get my 8 hours of sleep. Damn it, Grandma, why do you let these bitches in all the time? Weigh your losses. I believe that's what they call it. Weigh your losses or something like that. I'm not good with those onomatopoeias, whatever they're called.